Hi everyone, it's me, Drew again. Welcome for another reaction. Today we're gonna do some Kurdish because you guys are asking, and you know, when I feel the love and the whole support, I am here. So today we're gonna react to one like requested, like this is like, oh my gosh, Drew, do this, I've been begging you forever. Okay, so this is Kurdish music. Let's go. Okay. Aras. So I don't know who is who. I know it's gonna be like those type of music that you can dance. Oh my gosh. I see like everybody like who is watching my videos, you already know like I just need a little bit and I'm already dancing, okay? It, you know. Yes. Okay, one thing I don't know is like, what do you call, what's the name for this type of music? Because it's like, it's not a song, it's like they're just singing something like freestyle. Or is it like, what's the style of this? Is this traditional Kurdish music? Like, I don't know. Like, I like it, but I don't know. What would you call this? Okay? Honey, we need Hailey laughing here, dancing. Okay, let's see this other one. Oh, okay, okay. I don't know what's going on. Okay. I don't like that one. I'm sorry. So maybe this is, I don't know what we're watching. I'm just clicking because I don't know if this is a person or two people. Maybe it's one person, I don't know. So maybe this one is Aras Xabati. Maybe? Is this Aras Xabati? Okay, hold on, let's see. What is going on? Okay, I don't know what is going on. I don't know what to tell you. I usually like it, but I don't know what was this. I don't know, maybe he's funny. Okay, no. Let's kill this